Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, llamas. So welcome to my first DIY. Today's video was inspired by, you guessed it, Outlander. Today we are making the druid lamp. I know that when I needed a prop for my video on the druid looks, I tried looking for something online, but the ones on Etsy were a little too expensive, so I made my own. I thought this would be a fun tutorial, and these look so beautiful for nighttime usage, or unless you're looking to do the druid look for this Halloween. Here are the materials you need: an empty soda bottle, a Sharpie, some sort of fabric, beige, white, off-whites, to wrap around your soda bottle, or in my case, I used toilet paper to give it that texture effect. Scissors, a box cutter, tape or glue, fairy light colors of your choice. I just chose two warm white toned ones. Faux flowers, I got mine at Micheal's for $1. All right, let's move on to the steps. First, with your Sharpie, draw a circle around the middle of your soda bottle. I already made one for mine. Just guess where the middle would be. It doesn't have to be perfect because you will be cutting this black line out later. Next, with your box cutter, puncture a hole in the middle of your soda bottle where you drew your line. One hole is enough. 3, use your scissors, find the hole you punctured and start cutting the black line. Next, using tape and your fabric, or in my case toilet paper, cut out the tape and double tape the sticky ends and start placing your fabric where you think it looks best. You can also use glue, but the tape worked fine for me, so I just stuck with the tape. I wanted mine to have some texture, so I wasn't so meticulous about where I put my toilet paper. Make sure you also do the same with the part that you have to grip for your druid lamp. Five, once your bottle is nice and covered, we can begin to decorate our lamps. This part is up to you and your creativity. I chose to add a maple leaf and add this beautiful fiery flower to my grip hold. Again, everything I did with tape. Have fun with this part. Six, add your fairy lights inside, and you're done. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to recreate the druid lamps from Outlander. They are so easy to make, and you can use it as a costume piece or simply keep it around your home and turn on the fairy lights. See you all in the next one.